All right, yeah, we got a Viper and a ZR1 next to us. Could we find a better parking spot? The front is the crazy part.
Hey, my old stomping grounds, bro.
I like to see you guys get to really get a good look at it. So all the sparkle in this is crushed real diamond. I think I just spotted a Ford GT, so I'm like, I gotta start the camera. Look at that thing, absolutely insane. And we got a Miata race car, or a mini race car, whatever that is. And an S2K with a fat wing. Twin turbo V6, that thing is a monster too. Alright, what's up guys, it's your boy Stickers, back with another video. Right now, we are on our way to a Cars and Coffee meet. The meet is actually at a dealership here in Orange County. They used to host back during COVID. I think this is one of their first ones back. Oh, let's get back into 6 years so you guys can hear me and not hear nothing but a bike. But it's at Iluso. They are an exotic car dealer. They have some beautiful, beautiful cars. So yeah, we're on our way there right now on the Fireblade, so it's going to be an awesome event. Alright, come on. There you go. But, yeah, no, so we are on our way to Iluso. I don't know what their full name is, but I think it's just Iluso something. But yeah, we're going to go there. They're having like a morning meetup. I'm not sure how good the meet's going to be because it has, like I said, been years, but the first time that we went to a meet that hasn't happened in quite a few years was when we went to Sunset GT, and that was an amazing meet. So I'm hoping everybody wants to bring out their insanely beautiful supercars, hypercars. As you guys saw, we were on our way here right now, and we did see a Ford GT, a new Ford GT. So who knows? It's a beautiful day. It's a little gloomy right now, but it will burn off. It's been doing this every day recently. But yeah, no, we're gonna go check it out, see the meet, and I will catch you guys once we get over there. Alright, we just got off the freeway and now we're not too far away. I think it said we're like a mile away. Looks like it's a good meet. Guess I'll just stop right there. Alright, yeah, we got a Viper and a ZR1 next to us. Could we find a better parking spot? C6 ZR1 and a Viper GTS, two of the dream cars. Can't get mad at that parking. Where should we go first? We'll start back this way because this isn't where the crazy cars are. We'll go to the back first and work our way forward. We all good? Let's make sure audio is working. Yep. We are good. Which actually what we can do.
Hey, they said inside's done.
Alright, so now we disconnected from the mic in our helmet, so now we don't have to worry about, if we conversate with people, having to struggle to get the audio. Ooh, forged carbon. This forged carbon is so much different than ours. This forged carbon, the weaves are such small pieces and ours are really big. Tell me, drop a comment, let me know what you guys like more. Do you like this small, really tiny pieces of carbon overlaid or big pieces like the blade? Got some Beamers. Ooh, Corvette Z06. Can't wait to see a ZR1 when I finally get to see one in person one of these days. Open it up. Excuse me. E55 AMG. Alright, there ain't much over here. We'll go to the cool area. G80s. Not as big as I thought it was. Oh, there's actually a ton. There's some more stuff that way. So when we pull out, we'll go over there and take a look what's over there. The fluffy car, we've seen that a few times. I'm pretty sure that's the same one that does it. Lotus, Porsche, GT. I don't even know what that is. Is that GT there? RS? I think it's a GT RS. Their gas cap open. Come on, buddy. I guess they said they have cool stuff inside, so we'll go take a look at inside after. Titanium exhaust looks gorgeous. Ooh, an LFA over here. Huracan LFA. F4. Yeah, not bad. This purple is painted. No, that's wrapped. I was like, if this is painted, that's insane. But no, you can see in the corner it's wrapped. Kendall, of course, with her pink Supra. Ferraris. I hear an Aventador pulling in. Not sure what else we're gonna see. This front end is so nice on this Ferrari. Dude, this 720 has a clean body kit, carbon headlights, front lip, that front lip. I would cry having to pull into most driveways with that thing. Aventador SV. McLaren GTs, a lot of Huracans. Huracan galore. 900 LP. Pretty sure this has turbos. It runs on E85. That's why he flipped the 6 to a 9. McLaren with Senna seats. Oh, a Revuelto. Okay. What's that thing? I don't know. Yeah, it is a Revuelto. That's insane. We got to ride one of those. They're quick. For a stock car, when we were ripping the 8. Oh, I don't even know what that is. 458. Not sure what this is. Seen it before. This is one of my favorite Ferraris with the big ass front engine V12. Another SV. R8. Alright. Thought I heard some Huracans. Alright, now it's time to go look inside. This is where they said I think most of the crazy things were going to be. Oh, there we go. Look at it right there. I'm pretty sure this is the Koenigsegg that has crushed diamond in here. Let me take off the detail so you guys get a really good look at it. So all the sparkle in this is crushed real diamond in the clear coat, which is absolutely insane. Like what? Got a long Ferrari right next to it, a gun Chiron next to that. Insane. Koenigsegg that went on gumball. Porsches, Ferrari, another Revuelto. I just look at this lineup with Koenigsegg and Ferrari. That's insane. And to put 3,000 miles on that thing is absolutely crazier. AMG Black Series back there. That's why we don't roll with that crew. Damn, all the SVs here today. Oh, this Bronco's clean. Tank. A little bit of, not Rimac. It might be Rimac, that tank. I-Bomb. Ooh, I-33. Huracan. Oh, we see Josh here. Josh. So you're back in Cali again.
I know.
What's happening? Did you finally get the AMG running?
Nah, heck you not.
Well, when you get that run, does he have a car for when you're back in LA?
I don't know, bro. I think I'm gonna get rid of it.
Really? And you finally decided to get rid of it?
Yes.
What's happening? The Blade's here. If you want to go see it.
Who's here?
The Blade? I bought the Fireblade.
What is that?
Oh, it's
You stab him with the Fireblade?
well, my wings might cut him. The big ass forged carbon wings. But yeah, no. So you got to get that thing running. So you got a car, or what are you gonna get if you don't?
I don't know what I'm gonna get.
Yeah.
720 actually.
Okay. Where's my bike? That Fireblade right there is my bike.
That's what I fucking thought.
Yeah, nobody knows about it yet though. So
I was hoping you were gonna like.
yeah. So
I forgot to ask.
yep, that's my Fireblade. I'm not supposed to be out right now because I told Kay I wouldn't reveal it till his meet later, but I saw that this was there and I was like, I gotta go to this.
So that's what it is for Corona. That's what everybody was mentioning.
Yeah, so Kay's meet is at 1 o'clock at Mali. Huh?
1 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah, and I'm still missing like 5 pieces of carbon that didn't come in.
Let me see.
Did you look at the front of it?
No, when I was backing up, I saw it. I'm like, oh.
Go around and look at the front. The front is the crazy part.
Hey, my old stomping ground, bro.
Like I said, I'm still missing five pieces. I'm still missing some tail pieces, the front tire hugger, the rear tire hugger, and a full carbon belly pan. So I'm still missing. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm still missing some stuff that I'm waiting to come in. But yeah, this is the new baby.
You already told the A-Pro.
No, it's at Mali right now. It's under consignment. So if anybody wants it, they can take it. But no, this is the new fucking and it's ridiculous. So much different though. I'm so used to 1100s and all torque. This is low torque but high horsepower. So it's something so different.
Hard keeping it on the ground,
huh?
Hard keeping it on.
Because how long they're geared, no, not. You could actually pin it in first at like 50, and it will stay. It will come up a little bit, but stay down. You have to, if you want to get it up, you got to pull, like, kind of pull it up. But yeah, no, it stays down really well. But like I said, it's all geared for, which it's stock gearing, but it's all geared for top end. Huh?
You haven't lowered it?
I don't know if I'm going to on it. Like it's still fast. Like it's still walked to my RS-V4 1100 factory. So like V4, it's walked 2 fully done V4Rs like Ducati. So I'm like, do I really need to? They'll get the jump of course, but what do I want to fight a wheelie or do I just want to pull on them after like 4th, 5th gear? So then it's like, but no, I think I'm gonna keep the stock gearing. Maybe one tooth if when I have to change it, but no.
It's clean.
Thank you. This is the first time it's been out with the build being done.
Yeah, I haven't seen it. It broke my neck.
Yeah, it's been hidden for the last like 2 months.
What else is missing?
This front rear tire hugger, full carbon belly pan, and then I'm doing this, and then the plastic piece underneath. For now, it's gonna go 100% forged carbon at some point, but I wanted to do it in steps.
And they all just roll in and they just keep coming around the corner. I was like, what the fuck? When does it end?
Yeah, and then most bikers don't get. They'll just park wherever they want. Like I try to stay out of the way usually, not like because I can find it anywhere. Like here, no car's gonna fit there. I'll put my bike there. So
if you wanted to, you could park it in between those.
Yeah, you could. But like I said,
You'd have to get out of it, no, but
true.
Yeah. Alright, we'll probably see you then. We probably are gonna go.
Okay, yeah. Nice to meet you. See ya. we're back. That was a lot of fun, an absolutely great event. I am so glad that I decided to end up going to this meet. I would have been disappointed if I didn't end up going. So I'm so glad I ended up waking up, going to it. Thank you guys for telling me to. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.